Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset and delete everything on your iPhone. This is something you will do if you're looking to sell, give away, or trade in your iPhone and you want to remove all of your information and set it back to factory default like you get a new iPhone. So let's get started. But before you can actually do a factory reset, one thing I highly recommend is that if you want your data to be backed up so you can restore it on another device, make sure you back it up by going through your iCloud to do a backup here through the iCloud backup, or on your PC or computer so that you can back up your information there so that you have it available, because once you do a factory reset you will not be able to retrieve it if you don't create a backup like iCloud backup here, where you can back it up here or on your computer. And once you backed up your device and you know for sure that you want to delete and erase everything, it's time to show you how that's done. You'll be in your setting of your iPhone here, right? You'll go into the setting. It's going to look something like this on the setting. And then you'll go to general here and go all the way down here where it says transfer reset iPhone. You'll click on that. And once you do that, you'll be presented with the option to erase all content and setting. Once you click on that, it's going to tell you exactly what's going to be erased or deleted on your iPhone. As you can see here, 16 gigs of data, your Apple ID account will be removed, and the activation lock as well, so that your information is completely removed from this device. So once you do that, the other option you also might see is that if you have an eSIM card, it will ask you if you want to remove the eSIM card. So the eSIM card is your phone service. If you want to keep the phone and set it up again, you can choose to keep it, or you can remove it as well. So hit continue here. And it's going to do a backup if you did want to do a backup here, if you didn't do it, or you can skip the backup, but highly recommend keeping that backup, because again, if you want to save your information and then be able to access it on a new iPhone or a new device, Apple device, it's important that this step is done and you don't rush the process here. So it's saying it's going to take me about a minute for it to upload my data, or I can only skip here, but again, if you're in a rush, you don't want to do that. And next thing is going to be is that you'll have to enter your Apple ID password in order for it to turn off the activation lock or remove this iPhone from your account, so the next person can set it up on their account. So I'm just going to enter my Apple ID password here. And once you enter your Apple ID password here, you're simply going to click on this turn off button up top here and wait for it to do it. Sometimes you might have to click on it once or twice. As you can see here, I had to do it twice, and then as you can see here, final message comes up where it's asking you if you really want to delete or erase everything on the phone, because this cannot be undone. So I hit OK, and the process has begun. In this process, it generally takes a few minutes, but depending on how much data there is, if you have tons of photos, videos, apps, it might take up to somewhere 10 to 15 minutes. But during this process, I highly recommend that you just keep it on. Make sure it has enough power. So if your phone is running low on battery, make sure you connect it to a power adapter, at least 50% or more charged to be on the safe side. And you're going to want to see this all the way through until you see the hello screen like you originally set up your iPhone. You might see the Apple logo flash a few times just like that. That's completely normal, and you just keep on waiting for it to get to the main screen, which we will show you as this is going through the process, so you know what a successful factory reset or erasing your iPhone 15 looks like on the latest iOS version. As you can see here, another menu popped up. Again, just have to be patient as it's processing the data deletion for us. So we just keep on waiting for it to complete. And this is going to be in real time, so you can see how long it's taking for me to erase or factory reset my iPhone 15 here. And sometimes this menu might seem like it's going slow, but in the beginning sometimes I notice it goes a little slow, and then towards the end it just automatically just speeds up really quick. So sometimes this isn't as accurate, but that's why it's important to see it through, as you can see here. And finally, in real time, as you can see here, it took about, for us, maybe 2 minutes or top to get to this main screen. And once you go to the main screen, I can turn this on and it is ready to go for it to be either give it to someone else, or if you're selling it or trading it in, all of your information is completely removed from your iPhone and it's been set to factory default. So that's how you factory reset iPhone 15. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.